Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Klarna to Stripe. The first thing I want you to do is actually create a payment link if you haven't already. On your dashboard, come to the left hand side, click on payment links, create a payment link. And once you have your payment link right here, all you need to do, right, once you have it created, you just come here, click on the top right on this gear cog to access your settings. And then you'll see right here, you scroll down, product settings, you see payments, right? Click on it and then click on payment methods. And what I need you to do is just go ahead and scroll down, okay? You load all your payment methods right here and make sure once you see Klarna, it is set to enabled, okay? Make sure it's turned on, it shows here as enabled. And as soon as that happens, it will automatically show up in your payment link. Really that easy. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.